Let's compare the AILKIN car charger to the LUOATIP home wall charger. So both of these are good chargers if you want to charge up your phone. They're not the fastest chargers out there, but they'll do a good job of topping up the battery in your phone, even charging a small tablet or an iPad. Now with the AILKIN charger though, this is designed to use in the car. So it plugs into the accessory socket in your car. On the other hand, when we're looking at the LUOATIP here, this is going to plug into the wall at home. So you can plug it in and it's going to convert. And in each case, though, similarities, we have these two large size USB ports on both of them. So essentially the same output, just different input. With the AILKIN, you're plugging into the car. With the LUOATIP, you're plugging in at home. Basically, otherwise the same. With either of them, you will need to have your own cable to plug in. It doesn't come with a cable, so you can plug in your iPhone, you can plug in your Android device, but you will need to supply cable and you will need a large size USB cable to go into that.